welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, we will be doing an unboxing and of course, try on. Alright, so let's see. We have this parcel and another one here, guys. So this item, guys, is for tomorrow and the next day because there's an event, graduation day, and moving up. 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first. Let's start with this one. It's already open because, of course, I checked it already. So, first item, we have Shein pouch. Alright, so this, guys, is for the graduation day. And it's a dress, guys. Hot pink dress, guys. Okay, so alright, so it's like this, guys. Ta-da! And of course the sleeves are mesh, guys. And I'll be wearing this actually tomorrow, so we need to iron this first. And also there's a belt here, guys, like this. So what do you think, guys, about it? We will try this later, guys. Alright, next item we have this box. Okay, so it's a shoe box, guys, and I love this one. When I saw it, I said, yes, I want this. Ta-da! So here's my heels for tomorrow, guys. So I'll be wearing this heels with the pink dress. It's so cute. I'm excited to wear this, guys. I love it, guys, because it's chunky. It's high and what? Okay. And the last item from this parcel, guys. No, it's not the last item. This is my bag for tomorrow also, guys. I'll be wearing with this one. It's totally cute, guys. I'll be showing you that later. And we have other items like earrings and the necklace, guys. Alright, so are you ready, guys? Let's see it right now. Let's try it on. Let's go. So with the shoes right here, like this part, I think I'll be putting something because it's when I bend over, you can see all through. So we have the bag like this. Alright. the outfit like I show you. Alright, and for the second day would be a moving up. And this is the outfit that I will wear. Alright, so this is a blue dress and it will match my nails. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, let's go, let's change. Alright guys, so here is the second outfit that I will wear the next day for the moving up. So here it is, a simple dress guys, simple blue dress with a v-neck here, little collar here, and yeah, same shoes pa rin guys. I'll be wearing the same shoes, same bag, but a different dress. What do you think about it guys? Do you like it? Alright guys, so this is the unboxing and try on haul. By the way, this dress guys, I bought it here at OOTD Boutique. Ayan. And yeah, that's all for now guys. So if you like those items guys that I show you, I'll be linking the link right down below on my description box if you want to buy one of those. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Blah blah blah.